Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So over here, I have purchased the GoPro mount, and I picked up one off Amazon, and I'm gonna include the link in the description for you guys. But this is the packaging actually that it came with. So this is the packaging. These are the 3 screws that came in, and you have this funky neck stool in order to install it. Now, to get back on the mount, it's the simplest one possibly that I could get there. It comes with the top part, which is over here. So this is one piece, and then this is the second piece. And this 2-piece mount is held, like you have seen, with these 2 screws. So there's one screw holding this thing here, and there is one screw holding it on this side right here. Now, one thing that I would also recommend is that I put this tiny yellow piece of tape to protect my my handlebars from scratching it. So this is something that I would improvise upon installing the mount, and that's pretty much that. So once you have these 2 screws, like this one here, positioned on each side, this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna take the next tool, and you're gonna just insert it. You're gonna thread it in the housing here. So you're gonna just come back here, and you're gonna just tighten it. Yeah. Now I'm gonna try to unscrew this for you guys. See? So it comes loose. See, now I got it tight, and that's basically what you wanna do. Once you get this nice and tight, you're gonna check, is it flimsy? Nope, it's not. Nice and tight. You're ready, good to go. I just wanna remind you that usually this is gonna be the one is a spare, and definitely you wanna keep the tool back in there. And that's pretty much that. I'm gonna link the tool in the description. Hope you like this. Subscribe and take care. Bye-bye.